Network marketing tips for guaranteed success. In today's video, I'm going to break down my 5 tried and true tips on why I've had massive success in this industry and how it can help you too. And make sure you stay till the end because I've got a special offer for you that's going to really help you crush your business. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so network marketing success tips. What does it take to be successful in network marketing? And here's the honest truth. You can go through all of this training. You can learn the do's and the don'ts on what to say, how to show up on social media, all of those things. But if you don't have this number one thing, and I put it number one because I really do think it is super duper important in place, then you are not going to have success. And that's mindset. When you are in network marketing, when you are in sales, when you are in building a team, you are going to be faced with rejection time and time again. And if you don't have the confidence, if you don't have this up here ready to combat the negativity of whether somebody tells you it's a pyramid scheme, whether somebody laughs at you or they say no or you get ghosted, and you don't have this up here, your mindset in place, you are going to get shot down very quickly. It's also very likely that when you get started in network marketing, you're not going to have success in the, in the long run. And I'm going to get to that as a tip as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But what I have 3 things that you need to do in order to help your mindset. All right. The first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are practicing gratitude every day. And I say that because thoughts are things, right? Our thoughts cause our feelings. So if we are feeling happy, if we are feeling grateful, then we are going to, if we are having grateful thoughts, then we're going to feel good, right? So definitely make sure that you are practicing your gratitude so that you are feeling good every day. So in the morning, what do? I write down 10 things that I'm grateful for. I read them out loud or in my head, and I really feel them in my body, and it really just starts my day off right. Okay, so gratitude is number 1. The second thing I do is I meditate and I pour into myself, and I just take that time to really be present and focus on my breathing. I sometimes do a guided meditation. I sometimes do a breathing meditation. I recommend Insight Timer. It's a great app for doing meditation. It's become my new favorite go-to app. And the third thing that I do is I pour into my books, all right? Pouring into yourself. Network marketing is kind of like personal development with a paycheck, all right? So you definitely want to make sure that you are pouring into yourself. And what I have here is, I'm gonna link it over here, is I've got a book of my best network marketing success books that I recommend for you. I'll link it to this video so that you can watch it after this. Now, my second tip that I have for you is to make sure that when you're building your business, you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket. What do I mean by that? So many times I see people building their business just on Facebook or just on Instagram. Guys, that is a social media platform. That's not a search engine. And so what I recommend for building your business, if you're building an online business, is make sure you pick one social media platform like Facebook, like an Instagram, and one SEO platform like a YouTube. And what I have for you is I have a free masterclass on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. I will put the link in the description below so you can get this free masterclass. But what happened to me when I started to build on a SEO platform is I started to show up in search. I hit the top ranks of my company. I now get orders on autopilot, and I don't have to do all of those reach outs that I had to do over on social media because I'm showing up in search. I have people that are ready to buy, buyers. And like I said, I go into full detail on how I do that over in the description of this video. So make sure you click on that. Now, the third thing that you need to do in order to have guaranteed success in your business is you need to treat it like a business. You need to be doing your daily income activities. Just going through the scroll, not meeting people, not connecting with people on Messenger, that's not working your business. Too often, and I'm guilty of it myself, too often we get lost in Facebook world, or we get lost in TikTok scroll or Instagram scroll, wherever it is, and we think we're working our business when we're actually not. When we're working our business, we are showing up with intention, we are posting, and then we are building our business in Messenger. Guys, my entire business has been built in Messenger. My entire 6+ figure business is built behind the scenes in Messenger because I'm connecting with people and I'm human first, and I'm carrying on those conversations, all right? My fourth tip for guaranteed success is make sure that you are providing value to your audience over on social media. Make sure you are branding yourself and not your company. When you stop being spammy Sally is when you will start having massive success. So find something that you're an expert in, find something that you're passionate in, and get to teaching your audience over on social media. They will gravitate towards you. And it's kind of like jab, jab, punch, right? Value, 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 punch. I'm going to then go and share my product, share my opportunity in a very non-spammy way. But because I give value, because I provide, insight to people and entertainment, that when I do so, when you brand yourself, it's very natural for you to go and sell a product, and you don't come off to be that spammy Sally that happens so often in network marketing. So definitely make sure that you are branding yourself. You are not branding your company, right? You are using attraction marketing over on social media, and you are showing up using video. You are showing up live. You are showing up raw, authentic as you, because that's what your brand is. That's when you're going to have massive success. And then my fifth tip for you that I have in order to have guaranteed success is I want you to marry the process and divorce the results. What do I mean by that? That means that don't worry about the day-to-day outcome. Continue to do the daily income activities every single day, regardless of what happens, right? We have to go through the suck in order to come out the other side. There are days that I have zero luck, zero sales, zero reach outs, but I keep showing up consistently every single day in my business because I have married the process and I have divorced the results. I don't care if I don't have results that day. I'm still going to show up the next day and the next day and the next day. And what I see happen far too often is I see that network marketers give up too soon, right? They post on social media, they give it a month, they give it 2 months, they're not having success. Sometimes they even give it like 2 weeks. They're not having success and they throw in the towel. Guys, commit to 90 days of growing your business, and I guarantee you will start to see results. Little by little by little, you are going to start to see massive results, all right? So those are my 5 tips on how to have guaranteed success. This is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.